Welcome to the Network by Area Academy. My name is Eoin, and today I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process to a restyle from longer hair to mid-length. Milad hasn't had a haircut in a long time, and as you can see, he currently has shoulder-length hair that looks a little damaged. After a thorough consultation, we have agreed to go forward with creating a mid-length style that will incorporate some creative elements to suit his expressive nature. I started this haircut the same way we start every haircut, by analysing the fixed factors. Milad has a strong hairline, especially at the exterior, and I could tell his hair has the potential to be quite reactive if taken too short. This is something I have to take into consideration prior to making any decisions on shape and length. I mapped out the desired haircut by sectioning it into 5 panels. A square panel through the top, 2 smaller side panels, a deep triangular section through the crown, and the remaining panel throughout the back. This haircut will be a mixture of triangular and square shapes. I started this haircut in the back panel due to the fact it's the largest zone of the head and will dictate the rest of the haircut structure. The length at the back will give me my length for the sides, and the length at the back will also give me my length for the top. My initial incision was cut visually at the exterior neckline using my scissor. This will give me the guide for the remainder of the panel. Once the exterior was outlined and I was happy with the choice of length, I then started to build some graduation through the back by taking my first diagonal section from behind the ear on the right hand side. I gauged my choice of length from the exterior neckline and created a triangular cutting line which makes the hair shorter internally and slightly longer externally when it follows the head shape. I then took subsequent diagonal sections throughout the entire panel, combing under each new section and adjusting my body position so that I removed both weight and length. Once this sectioning pattern crossed over at the back, I began the same process through the left hand side, only difference being is changing my body position and my finger angle. Explore the rest of our platform at thenetwork.education.